Hello, it's Toby from Morningwood, and for today's build is a special build since a dear subscriber reached out to me to make a PC desk together with a monitorizer and a cabinet on the side. So it is a very nice build. He sent the wood. This is teak wood, by the way. It's a variety of hardwood. As you can see, my circular saw stopped almost at the end because it was harder than I expected, but with a little more push, it did the trick. By the way, all the tools and products I will use will be in the description down below, so check those links out and happy shopping! By the way, this is a sponsored video, so a big thanks and some screen time.
This video is sponsored by Lotus Tools Philippines. Performance delivered.
Could you believe you could joint wood on a table saw? Nice! So here I'm jointing wood on the table saw. I don't have a jointer. I hope to have one. Just keep safe at all times. Have a roller or an outfeed table. Keep your eyes on the prize and the blade. With a thickness planer, always take shallow cuts every time. 1/16 is good to make sure that you will have clean, planed surfaces and it will not be too hard on the machine and on you. So here, isisingit ko lang yung monitorizer. This is still teak wood and there is a crack on the wood on one side. So I'm going to do a bow tie and it's gonna be very lovely. So for the bow ties, I'm going to use a router and a straight bit to remove most of the material, and I'm gonna clean the edges with a chisel. by the way, always remember when making tabletops, panels, everything, always have 3 inches allowance on each side so that you could final cut them, final trim at the end to have a very nice, clean, and even edge. I'm not gonna show you a long sanding clip, but I'm going to show you that I sanded the tabletop, and these are the grits I used. Wow! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like, comment, share, do all those lovely stuff. And see you in the next one. Bye!